Hi and Assalamualaikum to Madam Siti Rozani Ismail. My name is Nurainun Fatihah binti Samsudin. So our team member will be presenting our group project for CSC264 and we have developed our website and mobile application for Dahlia Supermarket Management System. So as you can see, this is the front page for our system which is index.php. So at the top of this page, we put Dahlia Supermarket logo and there is a little bit info about Dahlia Supermarket. This Get Started button is for user to create new account and the sign in button will let the user to log in into the system. So let's say I want to create new account as customer. If I click on Get Started button, it will go directly to sign up page and user need to enter all the information needed to create new account. So this clear button is for user to clear this form and if user click on submit button, it will show a message board successfully signed up. Then it will display the login page. So if we can see in the database, so this is the new user account that I have created just now. So user need to enter their user ID and password to log in into the system. If user enter wrong data, it will display a message box, invalid user ID or password. But if user enter data that match with the user data in the database, it will go directly to the home page. So at the top of this page, there is a navigation bar consists of home, product catalog, promotion, my account, my card, my order, about us, and logout. For my account, this page is for user to update their personal details. So let's say I want to update this user email. I want to change it to Fatini Umairah 08@gmail.com. And if I click on update profile, it will show a message board you have successfully updated. So if we can see in the database, so this Fatini Umairah 08@gmail.com is the new email that I have changed just now. Next, Siti Zulaikha will continue with homepage, product catalog page, and about us page.
Hi, my name is Siti binti Faizul Nizam, and I'm going to explain to you about the interface for our Dahlia Supermarket homepage. Where at the homepage, at the top of the homepage, we have a header. Where the header consists our Dahlia Supermarket logo and a hyperlink to each of the pages. Where the home will lead to homepage. The product catalog will lead to product catalog page. The promotion will lead to promotion page. The my account will lead to my account page. The my card will lead to my card page. The my order will lead to my order page. About us to about us page and logout to logout page. And moving on to the side of the screen, on the left side of the screen, where we have a sidebar called category, where if the user click one of the category, it will lead to categorized version of the product according to its category, where the category we have fruits and vegetables, snacks, household raw material and frozen, and beverage, flowers and bakery, dairy and eggs, pantry, health and beauty. And at the center of the page, we have we display the advertisement that we want to display for this homepage. This advertisement we have made specifically for this homepage. And at the bottom of the homepage, we have a footer where we briefly explain about our information of the business and the description of the business. And this is the logo for our Dahlia supermarket, the description of the Dahlia supermarket, the address or location of the Dahlia supermarket, the links where it was exactly the same as the header, hyperlink. And this is the contact us, where the user can use to contact us, where the user can contact us through our email and phone. And moving on to the product catalog page, where we display all of the catalog that we want to display on this page. And as you can see that we have a little area here where the user can move the catalog by the user's wheel, and the user can also rewind the catalog if they want to. And at the bottom of the in the bottom of this page, we also have the footer. It's the same footer and it works the same as the home page footer. And moving on to the About Us page, where we explain about where we display all of the information of our team members. We included our names and our pictures of each of the team members. And we also included our student number, student IC, student number and IC, our program code, our class and our email for each of the team members. And that's all from me. I will pass this to Fatini to explain more about our other pages. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatini Umairah and I will explain about the next page, which is promotion. In promotion, we already sorted the product by its category. For example, fruits and vegetables, household, raw materials and frozen, and more. If the user wants to buy the product, they can click the button add to cart, and they also can buy the product with the quantity that they want. For example, for me, 5 samosa, 1 ikan keli, 5 milk, and 2 cookies walls. Let's say if the user has added the product, but they are unsure if the product has been added or not. So the user can click the button add to cart again. If the user click the button add to cart again, a message item already added will be pop out. So if the user want to pay or want to see the list of the product that they have chosen, they can click my cart. And in my cart, it will display the total price, include the delivery, and also the service charge that we charge for 5%. If the user want to delete or remove the product that they want, they can click the remove here. For example, the user want to remove chicken. So they can click the remove, item remove, okay. When the user click okay, chicken already has been deleted. So let's say if the user want to add more product, want to buy more product, they can click cancel. It will go back to the promotions. And if the user want to pay the product, they can click the button pay here. And it will pop up message, you have successfully paid. Click OK, and it will go to the My Order page. So my order ID here is 75. Order date 14 July 2022. Order time 1:45, which is same as date today. Order status is still pending. Actually, the order status here will be updated by the admin, whether it is still pending, packing, delivery, and also completed. Last, the user can log out after done shopping by click the button log out here. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Farzana and I am going to continue the presentation to explain our web system for admin. So when admin log into the system, the first page that will appear is the menu page. This page contains admin profile and customer order details. Admin will be able to see all customer order details and make changes to the order status. When customer make an order, the order status that will appear is pending. So, admin can make changes by clicking this update action. As we can see, an update form will appear and there are 4 options for the order status. Let's say we wanted to change the order status from pending to preparing. We click the update button. An alert message will appear and the order status has been updated in both customer order table and customer order database. Next, product data page. This page will display all information for the product that we offer in our store. There are also an update and delete action for each product. Suppose that we want to change the total stock for Milo from 100 to 80. Then we click the update button. An alert message will be displayed. And now the total stock for Milo has been changed in this table and in the database. Now, let's assume that we want to delete orange juice from the system. We click the delete action and alert message will be displayed. And the orange juice is no longer in this table and product database. Now, what if admins want to add a new product? In this add product page, admin can add a new product by filling this form. Now, let's try to add orange juice back into the system. Now, we click the add product button. An alert message will be displayed. And orange juice has been added in both product table and database table. And lastly, the logout button will be redirect us back to the index page. That is all from us. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Norsyazwani Hafizah binti Reduan. I'm from CS1104A and today I would like to present our mobile apps, Dahlia Supermarket. So as we can see here, this is our interface for index page. In this page, we can see that there are 2 buttons that lead to other page. If the user click the Get Started button, the sign up page will be appear on the screen. And if the user click the Sign In button, the login page will be appear. So I'm going to show you the block of this page. There's nothing much in here, but if as I said before, if the user click the Get Started button, it will open another screen named Get Started, which is sign up page. And if the user click the Sign In button, it will open another screen. The screen name will be Login page. Next is Sign Up page. So this is the interface for the Sign Up page. And for the block, this is the block for Sign Up page. When the user have done enter all the details in the page, and when they click the Done button, it will lead to the page, which is the index page for the user to log in into our mobile apps. And as we can see here, we have set web1 into the URL, this URL. So this number is my IP address, and signup0.php is the file that I saved into the folder named Dahlia XP. So I call the web1 post text, and the text joined into this post text is user ID, first name, last name, email, contact number, address, and password. And this post tag, I have linked to our database based on by using this URL that have been put here. And here, if the web1 got text, it will call the notifier 1. And if the response code is equal to 200, the call notifier 1 will show alert get response content. Else, it will pop up the message check connection. Okay, so this is the coding for sign up page in the mobile apps. we include the dbcon, which is this file right here. And this Dahlia SP is our database name. So if check data is equal to MySQLi query connect, we select from user ID. And if the check is more than 0, the data is already exists. If else, the data that have been keyed in at mobile apps will be saved in the database, and it will the message will pop up saying data have saved successfully. So this is the interface for our login page. In this page, user need to key in email and password. And after user have clicked the done button, it will lead user to open home page. So this is the block for our login page. Actually, these two are same as we use in the sign up page for the mobile apps. As we can see, we have set web1 equal to the URL. The URL we change. The only thing that we change in the URL is the file name. Only file name, which is login0.php, and the other are same as we create at sign up page before. And for the coding, this is the coding for login0.php. And as we can see, the coding in here are same as we create in the sign up 0. So we include dbcon, which is this one, and then we have check data MySQL query, same as we did before in sign up 0. So next is the home page interface for mobile apps Dahlia Supermarket. In this interface, next is home page. So this is the home page interface for Dahlia Supermarket mobile apps. In this page, we can see that there are advertisement and sidebar in this page. So this button is for sidebar to close or open. And this is the advertisement that we display on our homepage. Next, I'm going to show you the block for this homepage. So this is the block for the homepage. So we have put the clock in our homepage for the sidebar and the notifier. So if clock 1 get global X, because we have initialized the global name X to 0, if the vertical arrangement, which is the sidebar, are not equal to 100, it will lead the vertical arrangement to plus 100. Else, it will set the global X to 1, and the clock 1 will be false. And if this get global X that we initialized before, the name of the global X that we have initialized before is equal to 1, the vertical arrangement, which is the sidebar, will be not equal to 0, and it's set to vertical arrangement minus 100, and the set global X to 0, and the clock 1 will be false. So apparently this side here, this block around here is for the sidebar, and this six control here is for the button in the sidebar. If user click one of the button in the sidebar, it will open another screen. Let's say if the user click the promotion button, it will open another screen, and the screen name is promotion. So this is the interface product catalog for mobile apps. In here, we can see that there is a sidebar, same as homepage, and this button too for sidebar to be closed and open. When we close the sidebar, we can see that there are some of product catalog that we display at product catalog page. And if the user click the more info button, it will lead user to open another page, which is a promotion page. Okay, let me show you the block. So this is the block that we use in product catalog page. This this side, if you can see this side, we use same block as we did in the home page, and this block also will be used at other page because the sidebar, we have all we set the sidebar to all the pages in our mobile apps. So I'm not going to talk about this after this, but I'm going to talk about this. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is also the block that will be used in our home that I have just explained just now, that I have shown you at the home page of the blog. Is the same as the home page. Yeah. Okay, so this is the promotion interface for mobile apps Dahlia Supermarket. And yes, we have a sidebar. Let me close this sidebar first. Okay, so this is some of the product that have promotion for this month. We have Oreo ice cream, Milo, minyak saji, and many more. If the user want to buy one of this product, they need to click the checkbox right here. This one and this one also. And if they want to know the total of the price, the total price of the product that they have choose, they need to click the calculate button. And if they confirm to continue the shopping process, they need to click the checkout button. Okay, let me show you the block. So this is the block of the promotion button. And yes, as we can see here, there are too many blocks that have been used in this promotion page. So for this side, this side is actually for the product itself. As I said before, we using checkbox for user to click for user to choose the product, to buy the product. Let's say we have initialized global total to 0, and when they click the checkbox 9, it will do the checkbox 9 to check. Then we have set global total to global total plus the actual price of the product. And if they unclick the checkbox, it will minus the actual product. I'm so sorry, the actual price. And for this block around here, if they want to calculate the total of the product, we have set the label 19, which is the label of the number for calculate to text to get the global total. Okay, so yes, this all over here is the block for the product. And this right here over here, I have mentioned before that we are using the same block as page that I have mentioned before, which is this one and this one. So this is a checkout page. After user have clicked the checkout button at the promotion page, it will lead user to open this page. And at this page, it will tell user that they have done shop at our shop. So yeah, as you can see, there's a message around here saying thank you for shopping with us. And the block for this page also same as home page and the others. So this is the interface for my account in Dahlia Supermarket mobile apps. In this page, we can see that there are 3 buttons right here, which is edit account, create new account, and delete account. If the user want to edit their account, they need to click this button, and it will lead user to open other page, which is edit account. And if user want to create new account, it will lead user to open index page because they need to log out first before create new account. And if the user want to delete their account, they need to click this button, and it will lead user to open delete account page. So let me show you the block first. So this is the block, and yes, it is same as the home page before. So this is the interface for edit account page. And yes, this is the sidebar that we use same as the other page. And the user need to key in all the details here before click this done button. And let me show you the block. So yes, this is the block of the edit account page. So let me show you this part, and this part. Actually, these two parts around here, we use the same block as I've shown you before, which is the home page and the others. And at this area, this is the block that have been used. Also same as login and sign up page. But the difference is this URL, which is I've used update.php, which is this file around here, include dbcon.php and others. Also, if web1 got text, it will call the notifier 1, dismiss progress dialog. If get response code equal to 200, it will call the notifier show alert get response content. Else, it will call the notifier 1 show alert notice error. So this is our delete account interface in mobile apps. We have enter email here. So user need to enter their email to delete their account. And after click the done button, they will lead the user to index page and showing that the page, the account have been deleted. So yes, for the block, we have, yes, this around here, we use the same block at other page like home and the others. And this one is for delete account. The URL, the difference in the URL is a delete.php, which is this code right here. Include dbcon.php, and then we have check larger than 0. It will input MySQL query, and it will echo the data has been deleted, else data error right here. So if the web1 got text, if we call the notifier 1, dismiss progress dialog. If get response code equal to 200, it will call the notifier 1, show alert notice get response content, or else notifier 1 show alert error. So this is the index page for our mobile apps. In this page, there are two buttons that will lead to other page. Let's say if the user need to create an account, the user need to click the get started button and the sign up page will be appear. And if the user need to log into our page, the user need to click the sign in button and the login page will be appear. So I'm going to click the get started button to create an account. As we can see, the sign up page appear on the screen right now. And the user need to key in all the details in this form to create an account. So let me key in first. After click the done button, the message will be pop up saying data have saved successfully. Next, the user need to log into our mobile apps by click the sign in button. The login page will be appear, and the user need to key in the data. So let me key in first. After click the done button, the message will appear saying login successful, and home page will appear on the screen. So this is the home page of Dahlia Supermarket mobile apps. In this page, we have sidebar. For this sidebar, we also have this sidebar at every page in this mobile apps. And in this sidebar, we have home button, promotion button, product catalog button, about us button, my account button, and the out button. This sidebar are working functionally same as other page. So this is product catalog page. In this page, there are lots of product catalog that we display on this page. And if the user click more info button, it will lead to other page, which is promotion page. In this page, we promote lots of product that have promotion for this month. Let's say if the user want to buy one of this product, the user need to click the checkbox button. Okay, let's say if the user want to buy minyak saji and breeze detergent, and the user want to know the total of these two products, the user need to click the calculate button, and the price will be appear. And if the user want to check out, want to buy these two buttons, the user need to click the checkout button, and the checkout page will be appear saying thank you for shopping with us. Next is about us page. In this page, we display all the details about Dahlia supermarket and also the team member. So this is the team member of Dahlia supermarket. And for my account page, this will help user to edit account, create new account, and delete account. And if the user want to edit account, the user need to key in all the details in this page. And if user want to create new account, the user need to log out from this page first, and then the user can create a new account. And if user want to delete account, the user need to key in the email, and after click the done button, the account will be deleted. So next is a logout button, and yes, we are at the index page back. So that's all from me. Thank you.